Rome is an incredible city. Amazing sights, vibrant people, and of course, the food. But sometimes it can get pretty crowded, so if you're looking for something off the beaten path, come explore with us one of our favorite hidden gems in Rome. There are many cooking classes in the city, but none quite like pasta with grandma. We took a scenic train ride 43 kilometers outside of Rome to a charming little town with just 13,000 residents. There's no hotels here, so it's all locals. Our guide showed us around the town briefly before we made our way to Grandma's house. As soon as we arrived, we were welcomed with some amazing bruschetta and shown to our cooking stations. Nonna does not speak much English, but with the help of an interpreter, she taught us how to make pasta.
Prego. Attenzione all'anello, eh?
Pay attention to the ring.
Tutto fuori, guarda, così. Gli tocco le mani sole, eh?
She said, I only touch his hands.
Tranquilla, donna vecchia. Vai, bravo, vai, vieni.
Okay, now you can turn.
Vieni.
Yes.
Così. Già vedi, già. Go. Bravissimo. La
Perfect.
manina
Now the hands.
e slap.
Perfect.
Lei è brava, eh?
She's very good, she said.
Tutto fuori. Bravo. Vieni. Go. Manina e slap.
We made farfalle, linguine, and spinach ravioli. Everything from scratch. While the pasta was cooking, we were able to explore some old tunnels that once connected all the houses in the town. Nonna served us 3 huge plates of pasta, and no matter how full we were, she insisted we keep eating. Pasta with grandma was definitely one of the best parts of our trip. Want to try it for yourself? Check out the link in the description and book your unforgettable experience.